Hey guys, welcome to Code Inbox Automation Lab. This is 𝘁𝗵𝗃𝗀. In this lecture, we're going to see how to add a downloadable file in your WordPress site. So assume that this is your WordPress site, Code Inbox Automation Lab, and over here I have a post, like this is one of my posts. So in this post, I'm going to add a downloadable file through a button so that we can download it. Okay, people, they can download. So I'm going to add the button over here at the end, at the very end, and through that button, I will download a file. So what would be the file? So let's see how to add the file first. So go to your login to your account and go to your dashboard, and then come to over here like media. You can see it's media over here. So if you click on media and then come over here, you can let me just click on there once again from the dashboard, and then come to media. You can click on add new. Okay, and then you can just drag and drop your file, whatever is a PDF file, your spreadsheet file, Excel file, whatever it is. So right now I'm going to drag and drop one of the Excel file. Okay, so just drag over here, or you can select it. So after you drag the file and drop it over here, here is the file. The file name is API test data. Over here you can see there is an option copy URL to clipboard. Let's do it because we'll need this link, that we have to tie it with the button that we're going to use that button to download it. So let's get back to our block that where you would like to add that file to download, to make it available so that people they can download. So over here, I'm here at the very end. I will add a button over here. Okay, let's add a button. You can see there is an option called buttons. Click on up there, give a name of the button, download test data. Okay, and then you can see with the button, if you move, there is a icon over here. That icon will help you. You can add the link about your file, where is the file is located. So just place the link that we copied, right? So and then URL. So this link is tied. So this link, it's all about the file that you want to download, and so this link is tied with this button so that now people they can download this file from this button, through this button. Okay, and then now you can update first, and let's check the preview. So go to the preview, click on preview. Let's do it in a tab. So let's go all the way down, all the way bottom where I add the button. So you can see there is a button is over here, download the test data. So you can see up there, so just click on up there. Here we go. You can see this is the file, the API test data. This is the Excel file that I just few seconds ago I added this one to this button. So you can easily download this file from this button. So that's the way you can add any type of file to your WordPress page or post and make it available to download through the button, so people that they can easily download from there. I think that's all for today. Please share, like, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye bye.